Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I am Mustaim K. Today I would like to take you through chemistry. Our topic for today is relative formula mass. How do you find the relative formula mass? Find the relative formula mass of water and aluminium sulfate. Water and aluminium sulfate. Now, let me understand you what do we mean by relative formula mass. Relative formula mass simply means sum of all atomic masses. That is what we mean by relative formula mass. Relative formula mass simply means sum of all atomic masses. Now, how do you find the relative formula mass of water now? For this case, how do you find the relative formula mass of water? Water is written like this, H20. This is water. How do you find the relative formula mass of water? Now, just select the element that you have. Select hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen here, just say this one is number and this one is mass of the element. Now hydrogen, we have H20, number and mass of the element that you have selected. You have hydrogen and we have also oxygen. Now for this case, the number of hydrogen, atomic number of hydrogen here is hydrogen H2, atomic number 2, and also water, oxygen is here, just say 1, atomic number 1. Now you multiply by the mass of the element. When you go back to periodic table, hydrogen is number 1, just multiply by 1. 2 times 1, 2. Let's go back to oxygen. Oxygen, when the mass number of oxygen in periodic table is 16. Now you just say 1 times 16 is 16. Now just say 16 plus 2, which will be 18. For that case, you have got the relative formula mass of water. Now let's back to aluminium sulfate. Aluminium sulfate is written like this, aluminium sulfate. How do you find the relative formula mass of aluminium now? For this case, you have to select the element that you have first. Select, we have aluminium, we have sulfur, we have oxygen. We have aluminium, we have sulfur, and we have oxygen. After we have selected the element, this one is number, atomic number, this one is the mass of the element. Now aluminium for this here, it is 2, atomic number 2, and sulfur is 1, 3 times 1 is 3, atomic number 3. For oxygen, 3 times 4, oxygen also is 12. Now times the aluminium, mass number of aluminium, when you go back to periodic table, it is mass number is 27. Now sulfur is 32, and the oxygen is 16. Now from there, you have to use your calculator wisely and solve it. Let's solve it together. 27 times 2 is 54. Let's solve it together. 27 times 2 is 27 times 2 is 54. 27 times 2 is 54. Next, we have 3 times 32. 3 times 32 is 96. 3 times 32 is 96. 96. Let's 12 times 16. 12 times 16 is 192. 192. 2. After you have solved it, just add it. We have 54 plus 96 plus 192. It will give you plus 96 plus 194 plus 54, 154 plus 96 plus 192. 54 plus 96 plus 192 will give you 342. 342. From there now, that one will be the relative formula mass of aluminium sulfate. Relative formula mass of aluminium sulfate. Inshallah, if it is your first time to watch this video, subscribe it and share with your friends. Thank you, and I wish you all the best.